In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WordPress staging site. A staging site is a safe, private copy of your website where you can try updates, new plugins, or design changes without risking your live site. We'll use a staging plugin, which is the simplest and most beginner-friendly approach. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From there, head to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type WP Staging or another reputable staging plugin. You're looking for a tool that clearly mentions cloning your site into a staging environment. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate. This adds a new menu item to your dashboard. Next, look for the plugin's entry in your WordPress menu and click it. You'll see an option to create a new staging site. Choose Create Staging Site, give it a name that's easy to recognize like staging, and start the cloning process. The plugin will duplicate your site's files and database into a separate area. Depending on your site size and hosting speed, this may take a few minutes. Don't close the browser tab while it runs. When the cloning finishes, the plugin will provide a separate URL for your staging site. This might be a subfolder or a special path that's distinct from your live site. Many staging plugins also add a visible indicator in the dashboard to remind you you're working in staging, which helps prevent accidental changes to your live site. Now you can safely test. Update themes and plugins, try new layouts, tweak settings, and experiment freely. If you have caching enabled, clear the cache in staging when testing to see changes immediately. It's also smart to try form submissions and checkout flows using test data just to make sure everything behaves as expected. Remember, staging is isolated from your live visitors, and most plugins block search engines from indexing it. Some staging plugins include a push-to-live feature, which lets you transfer your approved changes from staging back to your live site. If your plugin offers this, follow its on-screen prompts, review what will be updated, and confirm. On larger sites, consider excluding media or other big folders during cloning to speed things up, and ensure you have enough disk space on your hosting plan. And that's it. You've created a safe, professional workflow for testing changes before they ever touch your live website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.